loves, I'm Nidhi and you're watching the Trend Diaries. So it's my friend's wedding in Manipur next week and OMG, I'm hella excited. So I'm wearing the enchanting Manipuri face to slay all wedding ready faces. So in today's video, I've partnered up with Faces Canada to create this look, and I'll be using their Ultime Pro HD range, which is the one stop for all your faces. Let's begin with today's tutorial. Now the wedding day is a day full of errands and you want your makeup to stay put for all day long without budging, and for that you need a good primer. So I'll be using the Faces Canada Ultime Pro Perfecting Primer. Now this primer is matte, slightly tinted and is very lightweight on the skin. So I'll be applying it right on the T-zone. This primer minimizes pores and fine lines, forming the perfect makeup base. The texture of this primer is very smooth and silky to the touch. Next, I would just spot correct a bit on my blemishes. For that, I'm using the Ultime Pro Matte Mousse Concealer in the shade 02 Medium. And with a concealer brush, I'll just apply this on the blemishes and buffing the concealer out with a concealer buffing brush. This concealer is easy to blend and does have a lightweight mousse formula with a buildable medium coverage. Up next, coming to foundation, I'm using the Ultime Pro Matte Mousse Foundation in the shade Sand 04. This foundation does come in a travel-friendly tube packaging, which makes it perfect for traveling, and during weddings, I want my foundation to be long-lasting, but at the same time, I do not like it to feel very heavy or cakey on the skin. This foundation is the perfect fit as it is lightweight in formula and long lasting at the same time. Coverage of this foundation is sheer to medium, which is buildable, and it does come in a mousse texture which settles to a matte finish. Now it's time for concealing. So using the same matte mousse concealer and applying it to the T-zone and under my eyes. Now this concealer is easy to blend and does have a lightweight mousse formula. It does have buildable medium coverage to provide an even skin tone, and also it is very comfortable as it has hydrating multi-action skincare benefits. To set all our hard work in place, and for that I'm using the Faces Canada Ultime Pro HD Finishing Touch Setting Powder. So this is basically a translucent powder which would give you that invisible coverage without altering the color or shade of your foundation or concealer, and provides that soft focus effect. To add some warmth back to my face, I'll be using a brown eyeshadow from the Ultime Pro eyeshadow palette. Nobody would ever know that you forgot your bronzer while traveling. This is such a versatile eyeshadow palette. Let's add some color to the face. For that, I'm using the Ultime Pro Matte Mousse Blush in the shade Cinnamon. Basically a mousse blush but does settle to a matte powder-like finish. Blends effortlessly, giving you that natural flush, and also the micro shimmers in this blush imparts that natural looking glow to your skin. Any wedding look is incomplete without that goddess glow, and for that glow, I'm going to be using the Way to Glow Liquid Illuminator in the shade Topaz. Now this is a super concentrated liquid shimmer highlighter, and you just need a pea size of it. Little goes a long way with this product. This liquid illuminator is infused with vitamin A and herbaceous plant extract. Versatile formulation that can be used alone or mixed in with your foundation or body lotion to give your skin that lit from within glow. Moving on to the eyeshadow part of the look, I'll be using the Ultime Pro eyeshadow palette, and this is in the variant Nude. It does have a good selection of nude everyday colors with which you can transform a day look to a glam night look. So I'll be creating a grey smoky eye with this eyeshadow palette. Picking up this brown shade from the palette, applying this brown shadow right in the socket and the contour of my eye. As you see, this is supremely pigmented and blends really easily. Picking up this shimmery grey eyeshadow with the help of my finger, and you see it is so pigmented. Applying this grey shadow all over my lid. Once we are done applying it, going back in with the brown shade that we used in the crease to blend the edges of this grey shade. I'm using the Ultime Pro Intense Gel Kajal. Now this is a dual-ended kajal. You get one side is smudge or tip and the other side is your gel kajal. It does come with its own sharpener, so I'm going to just tight line my eyes and apply the kajal really close to my lash line and smudge it with the smudger tip. This gel kajal is extremely pigmented and does give you a creamy application. Using the same brown eyeshadow in my lower lash line and just tying the entire look together. After that, picking up this beautiful champagne shade and highlighting my inner corner and brow bone. I'm a big foodie and so I prefer long-lasting lipsticks, especially during the weddings. So today I'll be using the Ultime Pro Intense Matte Lips Plus Primer. Now this is a primer infused matte lip color, richly pigmented, creamy to apply and settles into a matte finish. I applied the shade Burnt Amber. It has a matte finish. It is long-lasting, non-sticky and non-feathering. It is all that you need, right? So yes, with that I finish my hashtag wedding ready faces for this wedding season. I hope you guys really enjoyed watching this tutorial and loved this look. Don't forget to check out all the products from Faces Canada because they are for all your faces. I'll meet you guys soon in my next video. Till then, take care, namaste and keep trending.